Hopefully it was just a stray baseball that caused your car window to shatter. Even if it wasn't, here's a little guide on how to replace your window. Call your local Glass Doctor location to order a new window. We'll be happy to help you out. If you feel like the next steps might be more than you're willing to tackle, let us do the work for you. Here is the basic game plan for replacing that car window. Grab a vacuum to clean your glass pieces in your car for your safety. Now remove any bolts, screws, or clips that hold the door trim panel in place. These bolts can play a game of hide and seek, so consult your service manual. When the panel is removed, carefully remove the vapor barrier. Raise or lower your window so you can access the mounting hardware. Pull the plug on the power to the window. The weather seal can get in the way, so remove it to make more space for the window to come out. Remove the broken window and make way for the new. The new window is inserted in the slit on the top of the door frame. Give it a wiggle to make sure it's in place. Power it back up by plugging the hardware back into the regulator. Give it a quick test. Window up, window down. Perfect. Replace the vapor barrier and everything else that might have needed to be removed, and you're done. Sometimes DIY is a little too much to handle, and that's okay. Give Glass Doctor a call and we'll get you back on the road again.